Stick around to see how we made this box aquarium with moving parts that promotes puppetry that your child will just adore and play with for hours. You don't want to miss this. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Cheryl, the activity author, and you are in for a treat today, guys. So go ahead and start with a surface. What we took was some butcher paper, and we are decorating that to be the background. But if you guys have poster board or anything, you just need enough so that it can fit in the back of your box. So this is the box that we're using. And I'm just basically going to cut out the front like a TV frame, and that's all you need to do. Now, I don't have my box cutters because somebody borrowed them and did not return them. I don't know who it is. So I'm just going to use the scissors, and you can too if you don't have any box cutters. The front frame out, and you'll see there's some flaps on the side that are in the way. You can either bend those back or you can cut them away because you don't need them. You just want your box to look just like a box TV. You remember those? Yeah, I know it was a long time ago, guys. So you see my basic design of a fish, nothing too hard. So go ahead and grab your popsicle stick and your string, and you're basically going to tie a knot around your popsicle stick with the string, and you'll see me put a little hot glue there to hold it in place. So I'm just drawing some stuff to go on the background to help, elevate our little fish tank. Yeah, I know my coral look like cactus, guys. Stay with me, okay? Stay with me. Now, did you know tracing your child's forefingers can look like coral as well? So that's a fun way that you can incorporate their little hands in this as well. So what I'm doing now is I want 4 of these, so I'm just going to cut a strip of it, and I'm going to layer it, and then I'm going to cut it out so I can get 4 pieces of coral. Background is dry, I'm just going to basically take it and push it in there. Now, I didn't even have to put any tape. Well, there was tape already on it for when I was holding it down, but I didn't have to put any glue or hot glue. I just basically stuck it in the box and it stayed. If you want to reinforce yours by gluing it to the back, I suggest doing that, but hey, it's staying, so I'm not going to bother it. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate my box and put my coral in now, and then we'll be done with this part. Okay, so now that our box is done, the very last step is inserting our strings so our fish can move. So you're going to take that string, make a hole at the top of the box, and you're going to fish that string all the way through, and then basically attach the fish to the other end. Now the fish will need some weight, so you'll see how I put my fish together. I just basically put the foam sheet, and then I put a piece of cardboard in between to weigh it down, and then I put another fish on the back end of it. So see how it's double-sided, just like that. And I'll show you that in more detail in a second. Now all your fish are done and they can move up and down, just like some puppets. How cool, right? Kids are gonna love this. My kids enjoyed it. Now the one thing from our story, because y'all know I'm a theater teacher, we gotta have a antagonist. We got all these protagonists, which are the fish, aka main characters of our story. We need a villain. So I'm actually going to make a shark as well, and basically use the popsicle stick that I have left. Glue him on there, stick him in on the side, and my puppet set will be complete. Alright guys, so we are all done with this project, and I know that you guys loved it, loved the creativity, so go ahead and click that like button and then slide down to that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Make sure you hit all so that you are notified every time that I post, because I am posting a different video every single day this month for National Craft Month, and I'm very sporadic on when I post, so you need to be notified, okay? And make sure you guys tag me on Instagram when y'all post beautiful pictures of your child's designs, because I want to see them. There's my information right there, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.